Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel once again. Alright, have you been seeing this trending AI on Facebook, your WhatsApp, everywhere, and you're looking for how to, or you just want to know how it was created and you want to be able to create yours for others to also make use of it as a means of comedy or etc. Keep watching this video to the end, and I'm going to show you how you can create this AI on your smartphone. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let's go. So the first thing you want to do, you need to go on your browser, either your Chrome browser or your Firefox. Okay, so you have to go there, and you have to search on Microsoft Bing AI. So I'm just gonna go on to my Chrome browser, and we're gonna um, go into the website together. Okay, so after your search is up, you have to create an account on Microsoft Bing. Either ways, you can click on this trending on Bing and then you create an account with them. Okay, you can create an account through this way, or you switch back to um the result, then you click on image creator for Microsoft designer. So if you scroll down, you can see that the results on the bottom page of this web page, they are not relevant. So we are only interested in this right here and this right here. So after you've signed up on the Microsoft Bing, you can then log in to create your AI. So how do we sign up? So first of all, you can see that my account is already signed in here. So I'm going to log out, and then we are going to sign up together. Okay, so when you click on the link, once you type in your Microsoft.Bing AI, once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. As a new user, it's going to take you to this page. So what you have to do is to click on join and create. You can't just go on to, even if you fill in this text right here, you have to click on join and create, and join to have an account with Microsoft. Okay, so to do that, you click on join and create. Okay, you have just allow it to load, and it's going to take you to the part where you're going to be signing up. If you have an account with Microsoft, you just quickly sign up. But if you don't have an account with them, you click on create one. So to create that new account, you click here, create one, and allow you to load. And once it loads up, you then provide the email you are to use, or you have to provide your Gmail, Yahoo, whatsoever. And then if you don't have an already existing email, you click on get a new email address. So that's how to create an account with them, and I believe everyone should have his or her Gmail account. So you can just go ahead and do that, and then once you are done creating your account, to sign in, you just click on this right here. Once you tap on it, the account you created on Microsoft, you have to automatically save your login, so that once you click here, your details will pop up for you to just sign in, and then you click on sign in. Okay, so I said enter password, but my password is already saved on it, so I'll just click on sign in, and that is going to take me in. So you're going to be seeing prompts like this, so you can say stay signed in, so you don't have to sign in again next time. So maybe I'll just click on yes, and maybe don't. You can also click on don't show this again. It all depends on you. So now this is the part where um you're going to be dramatic. Uh you're just going to be creative. Being You're going to be creative. I don't know if I'm trying to I don't know if I'm I don't know. But now you want to create those fantastic images, you want to create those comic images. So this is the part where you're going to be creating it. And if you can look up here, this fire icon, you can see that it's just remaining two. Okay, so it's not like your it's not like any other AI that just allows you to create unlimited AIs. So this comes in, let's just assume that this is a coin. So once you create your account, you have been given 15 coins. So once you exhaust your coins, you have to wait the next day for your coins to be reloaded. And another way to have coins is to perform tasks. You can perform tasks and you also get coins. So your coins are your reward points. So once you get your reward points, you can see you need 2,919 coins to go blah blah blah. So you can just get, and once you can redeem your points, and then after redeeming you can keep on creating more AIs. So there are more to this, and about you have to know about this AI, because it's not like every other AI, because a little mistake you might end up losing your account. So he said, what these are the frequently asked questions. Say, what is image creator? You can just go ahead and read it. Image creator is a product to help users generate AI. So how do I use the image creator? You just go ahead and read it. Is there a waiting list? No, there's no waiting list. What language is supported? Over 100 languages supported. How do I create prompts? This is how to create your prompts, and that is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So how do they give their rewards or something like that? I think, yeah, how the Microsoft reward works on image creator. Just go ahead and read it. How can I delete my profile? Just go ahead and read that. How is Microsoft addressing responsible? Just read that on your own time. What happens if I violate the image? Yeah, so this is the part where you need to you need to be observant. They don't allow any you just have to read on the content policy. You don't just come on the image, don't just come there to create sexual AIs and blah blah blah. You can't do that. Your account will be, you can't even create it because it's going to be blocked. So the words you're going to be giving them, the words you're going to be using to create your AIs are supposed to be normal words. You understand what I mean by normal words? Okay, so having read all these frequently asked questions, we can now go ahead to create our AI. So now we are just going to be creating a random thing that everybody is familiar with, and since we just have 2 coins, we're just going to create one, and I'm going to just type in a Nigeria. So let's just see how this works. Let's just see how it was in Nigerian. Let's say all we have been seeing is chubby. So a Nigerian chubby girl running away with tears in her eyes, with tears in her eyes. A Nigerian chubby girl run away with tears in her eyes, carrying a plate of rice, being chased by her angry siblings. They are more like, you can just emphasize. I don't want this video to be so long, so we can just go on with this. And I think we need to correct something here. So let me just click back, by her siblings. So this is what we are to create, and then after you're done typing, you click on this right here, click on create, and you have to allow the AI to read your text. So there are also suggestion tips that you can also create. It says tip: suggest a cartoon style like anime. Try a cat waiting at a bus stop in Tokyo anime cartoon. So this is just a cat waiting at a bus stop. So we have to wait for our image to load. So up here you can see, wow, this is nice. You can see just exactly what I entered. It said a Nigerian chubby girl running away with tears in her eyes. These are the tears, and she's chubby, carrying a plate of rice and being chased by her angry siblings. So this is how to create your own image on the Microsoft Bing. And now I just have one coin, so you have to use a coin wisely, because any image that is vlog, you've lost a coin. So you have to calm down and create your AIs, your funny. So these are the ones I've been creating. Okay, so these are my past creation, and that's how to create yours. And please, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Do not exit from YouTube without subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to like this video, and you are free to share this video to your loved ones, to anyone that is interested in knowing how to create their own realistic comic AI. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you next time. I have so many interesting videos on my channel, and just do go to check my channel. For you might be interested in something and you might just want to learn something new. So